Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello Helper. Friend, today we are going to learn how to install Google Drive in Windows 11. Let's get started. First thing first, we are going to open Google Chrome. Going to search Google Drive. Download. And simply click on this download Google Drive. Here you will get one big button, download drive for desktop, and we are going to save this on desktop location. And now my downloading process is starting. So my download is done now, and here we are going to install this Google Drive. Okay, simply double click on it. Click on add an application shortcut to desktop. You simply click on it and then click on install button. This will take little bit time to install the software in Windows 11. And here we are going to click on this launch. So friend, here first we know what things we can do. Here you can see Google Drive link, Google Docs, Google Sheet and Google Slides. You can do 4 things over here. Okay, then you simply click on this get started. Sign in with your Gmail account. You simply click on it. If you have already Gmail account, you can click on it, and if maybe you don't have Gmail account, you can create from here. Okay, so right now I have my Gmail account, so we are going to simply click on it, and it will ask me to give a permission. You simply click on it and then click on sign in. So my installation process is done now. Okay, so here we are going to close this browser, and again we are going to click on this Google Drive. Which folder we want to make as a sync. Right now we not want to sync anything, that's why we are going to click on this skip. And here also ask me, here one folder will create it for Google Drive where you will directly upload and download things. You simply click on next, and here we are going to click on open drive. So friend, here you can see that my drive is installed into my Windows 11 PC. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can install Google Drive in your Windows PC. If you like this video, then click on like button and also subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day, so you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.